So you want to buy your dream car and are wondering if it's the right time? Let's find out.
In the last 16 years, I've had the privilege of witnessing India's growth. From the stock markets to infrastructure to luxury, you can smell progress in the air. Since I began my career as a news anchor, I've watched Indians create immense wealth for themselves, taking them closer to a life of their dreams. India's evolving consumer is upgrading their lifestyle and very conscious of how they spend their money. One case in point is that the luxury market in India is growing at a rapid pace, and it is a testament to India's aspiration and hunger for growth. And honestly, for every luxury car buyer, the Mercedes-Benz has always been a dream car. No wonder it is India's #1 luxury brand today. Now, if you dream of owning a Mercedes-Benz someday, let me tell you that that day can be today. There is an ownership solution offered by Mercedes-Benz Financial Services called Star Agility Plus, which is a smart way for you to own a car. Star Agility Plus is a financing solution designed to keep you in mind. It's not just about convenience. It gives you the flexibility to create an ownership plan of your choice. Imagine this. You choose your Mercedes-Benz and then you tailor your financing to fit your lifestyle and your financial convenience. We are talking about customizable EMIs. You can decide how much you pay each month. In fact, with the right plan, you can be paying up to 50% lower EMI, making it easier to own a Mercedes-Benz. Mileage options. Select a package that aligns with your driving needs. Only pay for the subscribed distance you drive while retaining the full ownership of your Mercedes-Benz. And here's the real advantage. Mercedes-Benz vehicles are known for their exceptional residual value. Because the brand holds its value so well over time, your monthly payout for the subscribed distance stays significantly lower. That's the strength of the brand promise. Timeless engineering and premium value built to last. But Star Agility Plus is more than just a financing plan. It is a seamless, worry-free ownership experience, and over the next few years, you can return, retain, or even upgrade your car with an assured future value. Also, the interesting part is that if you are a current Mercedes-Benz owner already, you can use Star Agility Plus to upgrade your experience for a more luxurious drive. At the end of the day, Star Agility Plus is about peace of mind. It's not just about owning a car, it's about the entire experience. So if you've ever dreamed of owning a Mercedes-Benz, now is the time to make your dream a reality.